Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up everything. Once done, make sure your PlayStation Network account info is noted. Shut the PS4 down completely, then press and hold the power button for 7 seconds until a second beep. This boots safe mode. Use a USB-connected controller to navigate. You do this because safe mode gives low-level access to restore or reinstall the system's software safely, avoiding partial restores that leave corrupted files behind. From safe mode, choose the action that matches your situation. Select Initialize PS4 to perform a full factory reset. This removes accounts, settings, and games. Do not skip backup. If the console reports corrupted system software or Initialize fails, pick Reinstall System Software and use a USB drive prepared with PS4 Update. PUP in a PS4/update folder. You do this because reinstallation replaces the firmware completely, resolving deeper software faults that resets cannot fix. After choosing Initialize or Reinstall, follow every prompt and wait. Do not interrupt power or remove the USB drive. Once finished, set up your PS4 like new and restore backups from PS Plus or USB. If the process fails, reformat the USB to FAT32, re-download the official PS4 full PUP file, and try again. That fixes most file transfer errors. If repeated reinstalls still fail, consider hardware diagnostics or contacting Sony, because persistent failures often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.